Want your car's headlights to sparkle like new? Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit will return your headlights to their utmost clarity. Before you begin, you should have the following items in your kit: a single-use glove, a pair of sanding discs, 2 headlight sealant wipes, and a hand sanding pad. Also have spray water and glass cleaner handy. Begin by taping off the edges of your headlight to protect the surrounding paint from the sanding and buffing process. Apply 1000 grit finishing disc to hand pad. Use spray bottle of water to mist headlight and thoroughly wet sanding disc. Then begin moving along headlight surface in side-to-side motions, ensuring the entire headlight is covered. Be sure to make a few overlapping passes. Remove 1000 grit finishing disc and replace with 3000 grit finishing disc. Spray the new finishing disc with water similar to the previous disc. This time, wipe the headlight in an up and down motion. Be sure to include a few overlapping passes. Next, spray the headlight itself with the glass cleaner and dry thoroughly. For this step, put on the black glove. Then, remove a sealant wipe from the plastic. Be careful not to unfold the wipe. Using up and down strokes, wipe the headlight with long, smooth movements. Repeat process on other headlight. Headlights will dry in 24 to 48 hours and fully cure in 72 hours. You can drive right away, but avoid getting headlights wet if you want maximum results. It doesn't get easier or cleaner than Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit.
Kleen-rite.